What's going on YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Hopefully you guys are fantastic. Guess what? Both the trucks are here and we're back in California. So, oh, I stepped in a puddle. Oh, my shoe is soaked now. Anywho, the reason, I just want to let you guys know that we did drive this truck across country. I didn't really make any videos while we were driving. We drove 4,600 miles in 7 days, so kind of just was like a long drive. Just kind of relaxing, taking my time, but getting the truck back out to California. I know probably some of you guys know by the Instagram post, like, yeah, we have the truck back. So, that was the first part of today's video. Second part, this is important for you guys. I need your guys' help. It's really based upon what you guys want to see, I guess. So I'm gonna give you a few options, and basically they're gonna be where the channel goes in the next few months. And the reason I'm doing this is, well, I want to tear this truck down, kind of redo it, clean it up, and there's some other issues going on with it that I will tell you about later on in a later video. You guys will see it in a video coming soon once we can kind of get in there and see what's going on and everything. It still drives, everything's good, drove across country, it's fine. I'm gonna drive it tonight, no big deal, but some other issues. Anyways, for 2020, for this year, well, we might, and let me say this beforehand, we're gonna get to both. We're gonna do both of these things at some point. It's just kind of whatever one you want to see first, and I know I'm probably gonna get the comments that say, hey, just doing both. Well, money doesn't grow on trees, sadly, and trying to open a business is very expensive and get everything started, so I am trying to manage what I can do at one time and, you know, be efficient at it. So option one, which leave in the comments below to decide this, option one is tear this truck completely down, 4-link the rear, rebuild it, clean it up, everything the same, kind of potentially do a motor in it, which you guys will find out about later, and just clean everything up, make it better. Or option two, which I don't have it here, but it would be build a race truck, like full out straight drag truck, roll cage, back haft, built motor, everything, like, and that one's gonna take a long time. I don't even know if it'll be done this year due to money or whatever else, time and resources, but neither would this one. This one's gonna be a huge project because I wanna take the cab off, everything off, frame down, bare, everything. So these are like year-long projects, so like end of 2020 goals, you know, and we'll still do stuff with this truck and little things along the way, but basically I'm trying to get, you know, your input on what you guys want to see. So either option one, rebuild this truck fully. I mean, like, I'm saying like interior down to every nut and bolt off the frame, frames cleaned up, new cross members, everything. Like, I'm talking full restoration. Or go pick up my cabin chassis, start cutting it up and chopping it, pull the interior out and don't put one back in, full roll cage, racing seat, the whole nine, you know, no dash, maybe just a monitor. You know what I'm saying though, like complete dedicated race truck, not for street use whatsoever. Something crazy is gonna go on with that truck too when we get there. So, I don't know. You guys tell me. I just want to make a video. It's kind of getting late. I gotta go get some food and stuff. But I wanted to see what your guys' opinion was. And this truck's filthy, but man, these trucks look good on camera today. Yeah, that color looks good with the black. And we're, you know, with redoing this is like color match everything and kind of, you know, just make everything pretty again. Powder coat, probably a new axle. Maybe, I don't know, fix the roof, the cab lights, get that thing cleaned up, maybe have some fiberglass work done, you know what I'm saying, like everything. Or full like race truck, kind of like this but shorter. It's the extended cab chassis that I have, but we'd cut the bed, basically make it useless, and DOM tube or whatever is going on with that, and try to go fast. Either way, both of them are gonna happen, but it's kind of whatever you guys were thinking, you know, because this truck just needs some love. I mean, New England was rough on it. I hit a pole, so there's a hole. These rims probably gonna go soon. I just want to redo the shocks, kind of redo the steering, cross members, clean everything up, you know. Maybe build a subframe right there across to clean it up. That's where I hit the pole. You can see chips. It's just a mess. So I don't know. It's whatever you guys want to do. Drop in the comments below. Let me know what you want to see. And just a heads up, kind of future plans or whatever. Starting in March, I'm actually going to school, but I'm going to the fab school. So they teach you, I don't know if I talked about it before, but they teach you how to build motorcycle chassis, roll cages, just welding in general. You build like seats, a welding table, all sorts of stuff. It's a school out here in California, so it's 11 months because I'm going to be doing night school. So I'm going to try to get some filming done there. I already asked them if it was cool, and they said yes, and you have to sign an agreement to be on their social media anyway. So I said, why not put it on mine? So we're going to be doing some cool work there, try to just learn some stuff about building and fabricating, just because this is what I want to do for a living. So why not perfect everything that I do? So I know it's not perfect, but that's the goal, is to make this perfect, and that's why all this kind of falls in to going to school and being able to do it. So it's either build all the suspension again and, you know, just keep playing with this truck, or do a whole new build and we'll redo this one down the road, like next year or something, whenever we have the time and finances and everything. So I don't know, you guys let me know. That was 6 minutes of talking. I'm pretty much out of breath. I'm gonna hop in this thing because I just love to drive it every now and again, and we're gonna go get some chicken for dinner. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to comment below of what you guys want to see. I'm doing some contracting on the side too, so if you guys are ever interested in that stuff, let me know. We'll try to film some stuff, see what's going on, and yeah, we just kind of got to get to work. But anyways, we'll catch you guys later. I'm gonna roll out of here, so peace.